Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make a light feature. Now, I made a light feature in my previous video, but I came across this wonderful branch. You know that I like sticks and twigs and hearts and things like that. Well, I came across this and I thought, oh, what could I make out of that? So I thought I could make another light feature out of this. So I'm going to use these lanterns here. Now these were from the B&M store, and I think that I paid $3.99 for them, but it was a long time ago. But I've had another look on the B&M store and they show you that they've got these ones here, and they are the small LED ones, and they are £3 each. So you can get a pink, I think there's a charcoal one, there's a lighter grey and a white. So that was really nice. I've got some little fairy lights. Now you're going to need a bracket, but you're going to have to hammer that down, and some screws. So if you want to know how it turned out, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all, you'll need to get your base. Now this I've had for quite a while and it's been bashed around a bit, but I quite like that because that gives it a little bit of character. And then next you'll just need to get a nice shaped branch, because that will go onto there. If it doesn't fit on there correctly when you do yours, if you just saw it off, and then you'll get a nice flat edge. Next you'll need a little bracket. So I've used this and I've bashed it down and I've flattened it so it's like this, because on my one it's going to connect from the actual tree branch and actually to the base. Right, first reaction we need is the actual branch. And now if you can saw off the branch so it has a nice flat bottom, because this is going to actually fit onto there and it's been nice and flush. So if you turn your base around and turn your actual branch around and centralise it, now you can actually just get a screw, a longer one than this, and you can drill straight into that. But this branch, it's only like half. So that's why I'm going to use the batten for. So if you want to use a batten, you can pop that onto there, and then you can put your holes on where you're going to drill, and then you can drill it. Now that you've drilled your hole, put the bracket on top and screw down the actual screws. Now I drilled the hole first so it doesn't split the wood, especially on the branch, because we don't want it to split anything. And that's gone nice into there, and that's nice and secure. Do the same exactly to your branch. Remember, only go halfway through. Now I'm going to use two smaller screws for this. So line up your holes and screw them. Now this should be all nice and tight and secure. Next is to get your battery operated little fairy lights. These are really easy and you can find these quite cheap. So I'm just going to place it behind the back, and you're not going to see that. You're not going to see any cable at the back. That's all you do, is you just twine them around. And next is your lanterns, and then it's a really easy project to make. It may seem a bit complicated, but it's not. And I think that looks wonderful. Really easy, really simple. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's amazing what you can create with just 2 bits of scrap wood, some lanterns and some fairy lights. If you've liked the video, give me a little thumbs up. If you really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing. And don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.